Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to draw AXO drawing. So as you see on this picture, the difference from the AXO, from the plan and section is that your AXO drawing is three-dimensional drawing. In this drawing today, we're gonna show you how to draw your AXO with 30-60 angle. So you're gonna need your 30-60 triangle. You're gonna place your model. We have a picture here, but we are gonna place your model in front of you in a 30-60 angle, and you try to measure everything one-to-one and draw everything on your paper. Then we're gonna go to line weight.
Before you start,
pause it so I can.
All right, guys. So for the line weights, Sama's gonna draw a cube, and I'll be explaining all the line weights for them. All right, so as you see up here, I wrote them all down, the 3 line weights that you need. Here is heavy, which is for profile lines, medium for the planes that share faces, and then the light is the x-ray vision, and then the 4th is the construction lines. All right, so here's our cube.
This is a cube with x-ray vision. So whatever line you have that touching two plane, gonna be straight line. So this line, I mean dark line. This one is touching one plane, so that's gonna be dark. This line is touching one plane, that's gonna be dark. But this line in the middle is connecting two planes together, so it's touching two planes. That's gonna be your medium line. So you're gonna continue like that. Whatever is touching one plane gonna be your darkest line, and whatever is touching two plane gonna be the medium line, and this is x-ray vision. So whatever is behind is the light one.
And then you extend the lines for the construction lines.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, we have a picture of model here. This is the nested model picture that I'm gonna draw the AXO from it. So what I do, I'm gonna choose the point and start my middle line and start to draw my AXO from there. Let me zoom a little bit. So I'm gonna draw this L piece first. You're gonna measure again everything one-to-one. So for your triangle, your longer side, I would say, when you place your triangle vertical, you're gonna get 60 degree, and when you place your triangle horizontal, you're gonna get 30 degree. I'm gonna draw that lightly here so you guys can see. This is.
And before starting your drawing, you need to establish which side is going to have the 60 and which side is going to have the 30.
Okay. And this is 60. So you can establish that with your middle line. When you have this line, I can do the on the top side, I can do the opposite. So I want 60 degree this side and 30 for my other side. As you see now, I have 60 degree and 30, opposite of what I have on the bottom.
Yeah, so before you start the drawing, you need to decide if you're gonna have 30-60 or 60-30.
Yeah. So what I would do, I would draw everything light first with my construction line, because you can always go darker, but you cannot go lighter after. I'm gonna start to draw this L piece here first. You gotta measure everything with your ruler, but since I'm drawing from picture, I'm just gonna eyeball it right now. Could you pause it? So.
All right, guys, so Sama established which side is going to be her 30 and which is going to be her 60. And right now she's going to be drawing this L piece in the corner here. she's starting doing everything very lightly at first so that she can go back later and establish which one is supposed to be the heavy and the medium construction lines and the light.
I'm gonna measure for the L piece because we already know the L was 6 by 5, right? So you're gonna draw your line lightly as a construction line, and then you're gonna measure everything and add it there. So 6.
Right now she's just getting all the line work in for the L to go back and identify all the line weights.
It was 6 by 5, right? It's gonna be off a little bit. I'm gonna go 4. So for the bottom part of my L, I can see this line is only touching one plane. So I'm gonna make it darker.
So again, like we said, the heaviest line is the lines that basically profile the planes and the volumes.
And this line is touching two sides. It's connecting two sides of two planes to each other. So it's gonna be the medium. Can't do this darker. Could you pause for a second? Sorry.
So right now it might look kind of messy because everything's a very light line, but as you keep working and you keep identifying which lines are the heavy, medium, and the light ones, you'll be able to see it and understand it and read it better. As you can see, she's already starting to shape the L. And you can already start seeing it go from here to here. Extending the lines like this helps you make the connections, and it also helps you find the construction lines or make the exterior ones heavier so they can see it.
Yeah, but
all right guys, so we erased a portion of it so that we can do a notch in this. We just wanted to show you what the L looked like and to show you all the line weights for it. But since the model isn't just one L, you need to take into consideration all the other pieces as well. And that's why you start with the lightest line, the construction line. But you just have to make sure you don't get confused in what you're doing or lost.
So I'm gonna go back and draw this part again, but light. I don't dark it this time. So last time we showed you how to draw the L. Now you draw super light, because whatever is behind it's X-ray vision, but it's your lightest, not lightest, it's lightest after your construction line. So then we have a plane that it's notched into our L.
Always remember and pay attention to which side you're working on. You don't want to accidentally put a 60-degree angle on the side that's 30 and vice versa. Again, it looks a little confusing now, but once you start identifying all the line weights, you'll be able to see it.
So I'm darkening the lines that are touching one plane. I would say keep changing your pencil. It would help you for the line weight.
And sharpening.
Let me try to draw. So I change my pencil to 2H for the medium line weight. Gonna go back and dark my medium line weight in the L piece so you guys can see it better. So as you see, I'm darkening the lines that they are touching one plane, and also for the darkest shade, and darkening the one in the middle to the medium shade.
You guys can already see
I'm erasing the line that I darker for the L piece for you guys because I was trying to show you how to draw the L first, but that's why you always go light with your construction line.
From the beginning.
From the beginning. So,
but you can already see, you can see the x-ray from the L in here, and you can see both shapes in the notched piece.
Yeah, and this line should be darker too. So it's okay to go off the paper a little bit, but measure everything at the beginning. You guys have your model in front of you and decide where it's gonna locate on your paper, and then start to draw everything. But as you see, this is the actual drawing from the L, that it has a plain notch to it.